Hello my PC students. This next one is showing you how to protect cells on a sheet. So if you didn't want people to touch your formulas but they could change the data, that's what you're going to learn how to do tonight. Okay, so just go to a new document. That's all you need to do. Go to View, go to Zoom, put it up to 150 just so it's easy for you to see. All right, and say OK. And now go to cell C4. All right, go to cell C4. Put in 7, press Enter. Put in 8, press Enter. And now go to D4 and put in 10, press Enter, and put in 11. Okay, so now do this for me. Click in cell C4. Hold down your Shift key and click in cell D5. And you've got two patterns, right? So we're going to drag it down, and one should say 7, 8, 9, 10, and the other one should say 10, 11, 12, and 13. So that's good. But before we go any further, let's save this. So go File, Save As, go to Browse, and go to your U drive, your name. Then go to Print Com, and then go to Excel, go to If Statements, and click in your file name. Now type in your first name, put in OCT or whatever the current date is for you, and call it Protect Sheet. Protect Sheet. All right, and press Enter. Okay, so now let's put a formula in. So go to E4 and just put in equals, and we'll take C4 times D4. Okay, that's our formula. All right, and grab your fill handle and drag down. Sorry, excuse me. And you've got the values for multiplying. 7 times 10, 70, 8 times 11, 88, and 9 times 12, 108, and so on. Okay, so now what we want to do is we're going to click in cell C4, hold down your Shift key, and click in cell D7. Okay, now these are the cells that you're going to allow an operator to click in and change the values. They can't touch your formulas. You don't want them to do that. All right, so the only thing they can touch is this rectangle that we have selected. All right, so first of all, we're going to right click and go to Format Cells. And there is a protection tab here. Do you see protection? And you see the cells are locked. Okay, well, we want to unlock those cells. Every cell is locked ahead of time if we put on Protect the Sheet. So we are going to unlock just those 8 cells. All right, so we took the check mark off, say OK. All right, so now the next thing we have to do is go to the Review tab, and you want to say Protect. Now we're not doing the workbook or the work or share. We're doing Protect the Sheet. Okay, so now Protect the Sheet. Don't touch these 2 check marks. They just stay as they are. It says Protect the worksheet and contents of locked cells. Okay, so remember, all the cells are locked except for those 8 that we unlocked. All right, so now, and don't put a password. If you forget the password, you can't get it unlocked. So don't do that. All right, so say OK. Now watch. If I try to key in 70, if I go 555, it says the cell or chart you're trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make a change, unprotect the sheet. You might be requested to enter password. Well, we won't because we didn't put one in. Say OK. We can't put anything there. Try here. You can't put anything there. Try in a blank cell. You can't put anything. Every cell is locked. But what about here? Can I put in 55? Yes, I can, because these are the cells that we fixed so that they would not be locked when the sheet was. And you can see all the formulas will change, but the only thing a person can do is change these values. Even pressing the Tab key, go Tab. You can only go Tab in that range. Do you see that? Just go Tab in that range. So very nicely then, you have protected your cells so that they cannot change your formulas, but they can change the data that goes into it. And that's all there is to that. So it's very simple, but it serves a good purpose. All right, we'll stop there, save your work,